Hello everyone. In part 4 of the eBay Selling Guide series, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to list products effectively. There are 4 main factors you need to pay attention to when listing products, including 1 is product title. To optimize SEO, the title must contain both primary and secondary keywords. 2 is illustrative images, which can be self-taken or self-designed. 3 is product information such as size, color, material. And finally, product description. In this section, you can add additional keywords to support SEO. For the first listings, you should prioritize posting products manually instead of using tools or uploading files in bulk. eBay will suggest similar listings from other sellers that you can refer to. To create a new listing, select Create Without Match. You need to select a listing according to the product's usage status. New with tags is a new product, with tags, for branded items. New without tags is a new product without a brand. New with imperfections is a new product with some minor imperfections. And pre-owned are used products. Please select the product status to match the product you are selling. Next, you need to upload the product image. The clearer and more detailed the image, the better. You can upload up to 24 photos and 1 video. Images can be taken yourself or used from other sources such as Amazon. You can use extensions such as Image Downloader to download high-quality images. In addition, if you want to redesign the image, you can use Canva. You can add free ship logos, free shipping, to the image. Search directly on Canva or download PNG images with the background removed. For the title, you can refer to the following formula: main keyword plus secondary keyword, color, product size, product object, plus slogan keyword, new item, hot item, free shipping. You can also use keyword research tools such as SEMrush, keytool.io to find effective keywords. For example, when selling t-shirts, you can search for the keyword t-shirt. You should choose a keyword with high search volume but low competition. In addition to the main keyword, you should find additional keywords related to material, color, size, etc. You can set a title like this: Casual Garb Men's V-Neck T-Shirt Short Sleeve T-Shirts for Men Elevate Series. The title contains the main keyword, providing information about the material and color of the product, as well as adding promotional information will attract more customers. You can also spy on your competitors' titles. Especially on Amazon, the titles are often very well optimized. Note that the title must be in English. How to choose keywords will depend on each person's product niche. After filling in the title, you need to update detailed information about the product. For example, size, color, material, product type, etc. The more detailed this information is, the more customers will understand about your product. The information in the additional section, you can fill in or not, depending on the characteristics of each product. For the product description, you can use eBay's AI tool. The product description will be generated from the information you provide above. You can also use ChatGPT to rephrase from the descriptions on Amazon. The product description must be complete, detailed information, including the main features of the product. Avoid writing a sketchy description, lacking information. In addition, you can create common templates for similar product lines. Each time you list, you just need to reuse the old description. Next is to fill in the product price. You can choose between 2 methods. One is auction. You need to fill in the starting price and the end time. The other is immediate sale, with a fixed price and the number of products in stock. In the shipping section, you choose standard shipping and the shipping unit you will use. Normally, domestic shipping takes about 2 to 5 business days work. International shipping takes about 10 to 20 business days. After completing the information, click Listed to post. eBay will review the listing before approving. In addition to manually listing each product, you can list in bulk. eBay supports many different ways of listing. For example, uploading photos in bulk. You can choose the number of photos for each listing. If you choose 5, when uploading 20 photos, you can create 4 listings. Each listing has 5 photos. After uploading photos, set a title for each listing, then select Other Product Attributes. In addition, you can upload the product file. First, download the template on eBay. You need to fill in some information such as template type, product type, file type, CSV or Excel file, etc. After downloading the file, you fill in the information according to eBay's instructions. Then upload the file and you're done. You can refer to some tools such as SellerChamp, LitCommerce, InkFrog, or Codisto to upload listings both. This method is suitable for those who manage a large number of accounts and listings. Using the bulk upload tool will help you save more time and effort. However, in the early stages of raising accounts, you should prioritize manual listing first. In addition to optimizing product titles and descriptions, you can also leverage AI to optimize other elements of your listing process. For example, keyword research, creating compelling descriptions, and even optimizing product images. Optimizing listings not only makes your products more accessible to customers, but also helps increase conversion rates and sales. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you have any questions, please contact Hidemyacc's support team via live chat for the fastest support. Good luck!